Okay, this is the center section. When you receive it, you're going to take 6 screws under the top. Lift it up and turn it. Hoping this will all stay in the track. If you look down from the top, there's 3 mounting holes. As you can see, one is there. There'll be one in that corner and one in this corner. You're going to mount it down and realign your lid. Starting in one corner. Get started in those spots. Re-secure your screws as it goes in. Turn it. Re-secure your screws. Some of us have to take our glasses off the seat. We're back in the track again.
Good.
Yep. That's it, you're done.